Hey, have you ever felt like your brain just won't slow down, no matter how much you try to focus? That's exactly where I was before I discovered something really unique. It's called the Edison Wave. Just 11 minutes of sound, and it's designed to activate alpha brainwaves. At first, I was honestly doubtful. 11 minutes sounded way too simple to make a real difference. But the very first time I tried it, I felt this gentle calm set in. My mind stopped racing, and suddenly I could actually concentrate without feeling so scattered. What really surprised me is how natural it felt. I wasn't forcing myself to focus, the sound almost carried me into a state where clarity just happened. Alpha brainwaves are linked to creativity and sharper thinking, and I could feel it. Ideas started flowing, and even routine tasks felt lighter and easier to handle. The best part? It only takes 11 minutes. I can fit it into any part of my day, before work, during a break, or even before bed when I want to clear my head. After a few days, I noticed not just better focus but also a calmer mood overall. The effect didn't just vanish when the session ended, it stayed with me for hours. It's not about hype or magic, it's about giving your mind the space to work at its best. And for me, that shift has been a game changer. If you've been looking for a way to clear the mental fog and spark real focus, I think this is worth trying. You can check the link in the description to see more. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and don't forget to watch my other videos too.